If Fortnite keeps getting stuck on the loading screen, don't worry, this is usually easy to fix. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Restart your router or switch to a wired connection if possible. Fortnite is picky with unstable Wi-Fi. Step 2. Clear temporary files. On PC, use the Epic Games Launcher repair tool to fix corrupted game files. On console, reinstalling sometimes solves stuck loading issues. Step 3. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can prevent the game from loading properly. Step 4. Check for server status. Fortnite servers sometimes go down, so verify if it's a global issue before trying anything drastic. Step 5. Lower your graphics settings temporarily. Sometimes high settings on older PCs or consoles can freeze the loading screen. Bonus tip, if you're on PC, run as administrator and disable unnecessary background apps. It frees up memory and often fixes persistent loading problems. Do these steps and Fortnite should start loading normally again. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.